Hi, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to design a business card, how you can design a business card in 10 minutes online and you are done. You can send this business card to your customers, your clients, those you do business with, those that wish to have your information with them, just in case. You can also send it to your customers. If there's someone they want to refer you to, they can actually help you forward it. It's easier, it's less costly because you don't have to print it if you don't want to. And it can be easily distributed on all your online platforms. So today we are looking at how to design a business card in 10 minutes. What you want to do is you want to go and quickly go to Play Store. You want to go to Play Store. So let's go to Play Store. You want to come to Play Store and download Business Card Maker. So Business Card Maker. You download Business Card Maker. There are lots of them here, but I use this. So Business Card Maker, because I already have it installed, it is asking me to open. So I open and here we have it. Here we have the business card maker. So what you want to do is you want to create a business card. So you want to create a business card, or let's go back. So let's go back. Yes, go back to home later. So you can decide to create a profile. So you can create a profile. When you create a profile, it makes it easy for you to create your card within 10 minutes. So with your profile, you want to put your name, your phone number, your email address, your job title, your company, your business address, your website if you have one, your company tag. So here we have a company tag. Then on the right hand side here, it says upload your logo. So upload your logo, you come here, click on logo. You can actually pick some templates. They have some very beautiful templates for logo, or you can go and create your own personal logo. So I have logo, I can pick, so I go to upload and go and check where my logo is. So I want to go to my gallery. I'll go here and I go and pick my logo here. So I can pick this and I come back here. It's okay if you want to crop it. So you can crop, then you move and you have your logo here. So I want to pick another logo. I don't want that one, I want this, so use this. So we have it, then you save and it is there. So when you come here, there are different templates for you, already made templates. You can just pick over 100 already made templates. Now these templates, some are free, some you have to pay to get it. So you can pay to get the free, or you can get the free, or you pay to get the pro version of it. So you can pick on any one you want. So you can pick, these are pros. So you can pick. So I want to go to a free version. I want to go to a free version. Let's see. Let's see a very beautiful free version. So this, I'm looking for a color that would suit my business. Yes, something that would suit my business. So you can pick something that would actually be in line with your business, or the shape you want, the design you want. So let me just pick this. This is looking like a something for construction workers, but I can just pick this as an example. So we have it here. So this is it. You see, because I have filled my profile earlier, it brought out my logo and everything for me direct. So you see, I really don't need to do much. So I want to look at the back side. So the back, I have my logo again at the back, and I have my tagline, quality at its peak. Now, if you look at this right hand side, you want to put a background or a picture or something, you can just background image. You can come and pick a background image you want to use. You can upload. So you can change your background color. You see, this is the background color. This is another background color. So you can just change the colors to suit. So if you're good with colors and you know how to mix, you can actually do this. You can change colors and leave them as they are. So I want this, let me just leave it at this. So this is background. So text, if you want to add another text to your background, so I can just say phone number. You can add your phone number, you can add your address. So I want to add my phone number at the back again, maybe another phone number this time. So this is it, then apply. So you see phone number, I want to pick it and I want to come and put it somewhere here, or let's put it here. So we have it. So you have it. Then you have icons, different icons that you can use. So that's a phone. I want to put WhatsApp. I want to bring it here. It's too big, so I want to minimize it. I want to minimize it and make it small. Yes, so small and here. So we have here. Let me change this background. So you can actually change the color. So that's the color of the call. Yes, so it's looking better. All right, so that is it. So you go to shapes. If you want to add more shapes to it, you can pick any shape. Let's say you want to add any shape, any icon, whatever it is you want to add. Trying to look for something beautiful. Don't want to make it too colorful. So let me minimize this. In between, like just to give it another design. So you go to shapes, you go to logos, you go to image, you want to put your picture, whatever it is you want to put. This is the back side. So let's go to our front side. This is the front. So you want to go put image template. You can actually put your QR code such that you can just scan, your clients can just scan and they are paying. But this has to be a pro version, not this. So templates, if you want to change the templates, you want to preview. So if you want to preview what you're doing, so let's preview and see. So this is our card. This is our card. This is the front page of our card. So let's preview and go back to the second one. We want to look at the back side. Let's preview the back side and let's see. So this is the back side. So you can do this for as many cards that you want to have as possible. So let's go back to the front. Now if I click on this card, if you look at the bottom part here, you can delete or take out anything you don't want. You can copy, you can insert what you want to insert again. If you want to put other things here, you can change the color. So I can actually change the color of this, my email. So you see, so you can change, you put the website, depending on what you want to do. And this is just a 5 to 10 minutes way of creating a business card. Next thing you want to do is you want to download it. Yes, you want to download your card. You want to download so that you can share to your friends, your family. This up here, just click on it and you have it front side, back side. It's looking beautiful. Download front side, download complete, download back side, and that is all. So you close. So you can actually create another card for someone else, or if you want to create a new card, you can also go ahead and create a new card. So card 1, let's save this successfully. So we have saved this. We want to go back home. So we want to go back home. So exit, let's go home. So if you want to create, you can just go ahead and create a new business card. You create a new business card here. You put the back side, your background, choose your background color. You put the icon you want, the shapes. But if you are not good with all this, if you are not good with pictures, just simply click and pick. Once you click on create, just click on any template and you have your card in 5-10 minutes. So this is how to create a business card in 5-10 minutes, 10 minutes at most. If you have loved watching this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you get to benefit from the videos that I post that can help your business grow. Also, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please remember to like, to comment, to share. Thank you for watching.